I'm delighted to be announcing the all-new Identity Services Engine version 3.1, available from AWS and Azure marketplaces this summer, and in the future from the Google Marketplace. So let's take a quick look at it in action. Consider a use case where a security team needs to spin up remote deployment that includes trusted access for a field hospital. With ICE in the cloud, the infra team can deploy directly from the AWS Marketplace using Ansible or Terraform, and it's just that easy. Just that easy. We now have a remote deployment of ICE in AWS. The network team can securely onboard network services with zero-touch provisioning, also using Ansible, Terraform, and network devices are onboarded with policy in place so that it makes it fast, easy, and secure. The security team now can find their policies automatically assigned with the new remote deployment. So here are policies in action. Nurses can get access to patient records, but not those IoT medical devices that are so hard to secure, and those cannot get access. What we've got is an exceptional level of automation, truly increasing IT agility to deploy the zero trust workplace.